Hi, I am Sarwar from BitApps. Today I am going to show you how to add TikTok button on your website. To add a TikTok button on my website, I am using BitAssist plugin. Let's go to WordPress dashboard and click on BitAssist. Add widget. Give your widget name. Click on create button. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Channel name TikTok. Give here TikTok username. Here's some advanced features in our BitAssist Pro plugin. Office hours hide after your schedule, and you can also show these channels in desktop and mobile view. And so I keep it both. Now click on save button. Now go to WordPress page and refresh the page. You can see the BitAssist logo in bottom corner of the screen. So click on it and click on TikTok. Here is the TikTok profile. So in this way you can add your TikTok button on your website. So thanks for watching this video.